Welcome. This episode we will be building part 5-46F Lubricator Ball Valve for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-46S Lubricator Ball Valve for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's go File, New, Part MMGS. This is going to be a very simple one. So let's go to, doesn't matter which plane you got, it's going to be all the same. Go front plane. Going to do a half circle. There to there. And do a line from that one to there. That's going to be 7mm, I believe. Yep, 7. 7, beautiful. And what is that? Oh, I see. Those three that we put in as there. There we go. Beautiful. Is now locked in. Beautiful. Those circles locked in there, but those points weren't locked in. So let's go to feature, revolve boss. Center line will be that one. Done. Hello. Done. Thank you. That's going to be stainless steel. So appearance, metal, steel. Do we have stones? We don't have stainless steel. Yeah, you got stainless steel, but let's do brushed steel. It's supposed to be stainless steel, but I can't see it there. Alright, that is part 5-46F Lubricated Ball Valve done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Told you, a simple one. So thanks for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.